Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change a password on GameStop. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.gamestop.com and then hit enter. After the home page of GameStop opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see this menu. Now make sure that you're logged in and then click on the account option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the account option, a menu will pop up on your screen. Now on that menu, click on the orders option. As you can see on my screen, you'll be guided to another page once you click on the orders option. Now on this page on the left side of your screen, you'll see this account settings menu. So firstly, to change your password, click on this password option, which will further guide you to another page. After the page loads properly, you'll have to fill in some credentials. So firstly, fill in your current password here. Then fill in the new password that you want here. Confirm the new password here. And then click on the Save Changes option. Once you click on the Save Changes option, GameStop will tell you that they want to send you a verification code in your email address which is registered into your GameStop account. So firstly, click on the Send Email option on the pop-up that GameStop showed you. After you click on the Send Email option, you'll have to fill in the verification code that will be sent to you in your email account. Once you fill in the verification code and then click on this verify option, the password in your GameStop account will be automatically changed. I hope this video helped you to change your password on GameStop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.